for the first time in the Philippines, courtesy by Hofbräuhaus München. We have two ladies who come straight from the Oktoberfest to Manila. They're right, yes, they give them a big hand. They'll be servicing you tonight. Usually they have 8,000 people, like Hofbräuhaus, the biggest tent in Munich is 8,000 people. The tradition in Munich on the opening day is that the mayor of the city takes the first head. May I ask also, in the meantime, before we prepare, His Excellency, the German ambassador, Dr. Andreas. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Heute ist so ein schöner Tag. Today is such a nice day. A wonderful evening to all of you. And welcome to this wonderful 85th Oktoberfest organized by the German Club. I think it's a wonderful event. Are you all ready to have beer and sausages and enjoy the evening? All right, thank you. That sounds good. Yes, me too. I'm also happy to be here for the third time since I'm in the Philippines. And German Oktoberfest, organized by the German Club, is always a wonderful event. All of you who have been here before know that definitely. And grateful for the German Club for organizing. It's not only about German beer and German sausages, you already definitely had a chance to benefit from it, but it's about fun, about music, about culture, about German tradition, and that's what we are here for. So I wish all of us a wonderful evening. Enjoy the music, enjoy the dancing, enjoy the beer, the food of course, and enjoy yourself and have a wonderful and great evening. Thank you to all, thanks to all of us, thanks to all of you, thanks to the wonderful music, the band which has been here before. Happy to see you again the next days. Wonderful listening to you. And well, let's have a wonderful evening and let's start with a very important ceremony which is going to come now, right? Thank you.
Before we get there, I'd like to introduce our special guest for the day. We don't only have Hofbräuhaus beer, we don't only have ladies who was working on the Hofbräuhaus in the Munich Oktoberfest, but we also have the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer from Hofbräuhaus here. Please give Dr. Michael Müller a bit. You have to come here, you know, it's for free everything, you have to see something.
Also from our side, welcome to the Oktoberfest here in Manila. We are coming directly from the Munich Oktoberfest and we are happy to be now here in Manila. Are you ready for a beer? I guess we should not wait that long for tapping the first barrel and starting the Oktoberfest 2025. Thank you very much.
We're still waiting for the mayor. Escape. Das ist FC. Ist der Mayor? Okay, we have one of our main sponsors, and Michael Reumer. He's the one who brought in the box. With a big can.